I'm using the 3-group rotation, and the first group students are using the ALEKS program. In the second group, the students are are actually watching a video for the lesson of the day, which is new content. And these are videos that I actually made. And then in the third group, they're working in small groups with me, and we're going over homework, lesson questions, we're doing activities, and that's pretty much it.
As you see parallel lines go by transversal, see if it makes sense. And it wouldn't make sense that an acute and an obtuse would equal each other. That would never happen ever. And if you have this and you have an acute and an obtuse, then you set them equal to adding to 180.
The ALEKS program is probably one of the best programs out there for differentiating instruction. It allows students to work at their level in geometry, and it works from there to help build the skills that they're missing. When they move into the second rotation, where I have actually made the video lessons for them, they're actually able to go at their own pace. They're able to rewind. They can go home, rewatch the lesson. When it's time for a test or quiz, they can actually go and rewatch the lesson again. And then when they come to me, actually I'm able to give them instant feedback, and it's a much more intimate relationship with the teacher and student in the small group. The digital content that I'm using the ALEKS program. I'm using Nearpod. Nearpod is a great piece of software that allows you to have students input work, send it to you, you can look at it, you can share out examples of things that are correct, maybe examples of things that are incorrect. So it really provides a lot of discussion topics for the class. And I also use Edmodo. Students know exactly where they're at any time in the class by just keeping track of the agenda in Edmodo.
Formula B subtracting. Okay. Think it was number 6.
Yeah.
What is that one? The slope formula. We're subtracting the slope formula, right? Now the mistake that people make in the slope formula is some folks will put the x's on top and the y's in the bottom. And you can't do that, right? Okay. Is there another one on there that you have a question? And number 5, I know I didn't ask you that, but what does it represent? A -3, a -3. Oh. A right triangle, if it had an obtuse angle in it, it would be called an obtuse. Let's flip to the back side.